Hey guys, I was just on my way to work and I thought I'd do a quick review of the Undeniable Atlas meal prep bag. So I've been weightlifting and meal prepping for about 6 years, so I think I've just about tried everything on the market. I've been using this bag for about 4 weeks, and I guess my first impressions would be, wow, high quality. So everything from the material to the insulation to the mesh pockets to the zips to the shoulder straps, everything is just super high quality. I haven't seen anything like it for the price that you're paying. So straight off the bat, it's just a high quality product that I know that is going to last a very long time. It's got pretty much everything that I need, so it ticks all the boxes for me. I work a 9-to-5 job as an engineer, so I'm in the office pretty much all day, sometimes out on site. And I suppose if we just want to run through everything the bag has. So to start with, it's got the 2 mesh pockets on the front. You can see there I've got my protein shaker in one. That's pretty tight and doesn't fall out. So on the front there, you've got the main compartment. The bag does come with 3 lunch boxes. At this stage, I'm only using the 2. And you can see I've got my ice packs either side there to keep them nice and cool. And that lasts all day for me. So from 7 in the morning when I leave until I have my last meal at 4 o'clock. There's the 2 side pockets, so you can fit plenty in there, whether it's a protein shaker or a bottle of water or even just some extra food, some bananas. So the top is a smaller pocket, and you can see there I've got all my kind of snacks in there. There's room in there for a knife and fork if you need it. So the bag's got both the small strap to carry it with, as well as the adjustable shoulder strap, and they're both very tough. All the zips, all the things are all metal, so you know it's never going to fall apart. So yeah, I guess that's it. In my opinion, a very good product for the price that you're paying. It's much higher quality than what you see in the images and what you get anywhere else on the market. So it's 5 stars for me and a very good product.